Yeah, it looks lovely, but not in a bathroom. So not only have we got these energy saving LED lights to replace them with that will save them money, but they're a lot brighter and really easy to install. Being IP54 water resistant, they're perfect for the bathroom. Not only the bathroom, they'd be perfect to install outside too, being water resistant. And look at that, perfect to take down for that painter or decorator as well. So they can just pop that bracket off and bring it down. The cable will hold it up in the ceiling. They hold it up nice and tight because they fix perfectly in there with a push fit. All you've got to do is make sure your bracket is secured properly. And then push them up and click them into place. That is better. Nice and bright. What I would say with these lights though, they come with little foam stick-on bits, because if you don't put these on, then they're loose and they can, with vibration, fall down. So if you put these little bits of tabs on, and then when you push them up to the ceiling, they get that little bit more secure when you fix them up. And you can see here, to take them down with their little quick release buttons, they just clip straight off the ceiling. Lovely and easy. And that is when installed correctly. So when you're putting your cables into this light, you want to make sure that you use the clamp to clamp the cable before it goes into the terminations. And once it's in there, you can close that lid. That will make it water resistant. And there you go, a nice, cool, white, bright light. And I've just got to push that one up to fix it in.